Hello everyone, today is spring. It's spring plowing day. Although it's still winter, it's late winter. I'm going to take out my 9N or 2N tractor out. And today I have my Ferguson one bottom plow. Right here, a very old setup that fits perfect on this old tractor. It's like it's made for it. And here is a little bit of the wording right here, Ferguson. Ferguson made a lot of equipment for these old N-Series tractors. That's why they fit so well. And so here we go. We're going to head out on my tractor here and do some plowing because I got to get things going here. Alright, so let's head out. Alright, let's head out there. See if this thing will run all the time I need it. Top half first here and then we'll go to the back. I don't know how much time I'll have to do it today, but let's get it done. Trippy. Alright. And we'll get in there. Not easy to video driving in one hand. Let's see what I can do here. Alright. Should be able to get in there no problem. Alright. That's good. Alright. And then we'll set it up. Do first, take down this fence here because I got some news to tell everybody. Real neat news. Okay, so let's shut it down. Okay, so I am enlarging my strawberry beds here because I'm going to be planting 500 strawberries. I can't pass it up. I had gotten a really good deal on strawberries. So this is what I'm doing. I'm going to be making a strawberry bed. I want to get this plowed under so I can decide where I'm going to put them. It's going to be different. They're ever blooming. Most farmers use annual strawberries and then they pull them out and replant it in a year later to get a good crop. I don't want to do that. I want to try planting my strawberries and take care of them year after year, propagate them, and take it from there. So 500 root strawberries, and they're going to be going right here. So I decided if I should put it here or over here. Now I'm thinking maybe it'd be better over here. Let's see. Maybe I should go here. This is nah, here, right there, because it's right next to your strawberries. Alright, so let me just go in here. I'm going to take down this fence and then I'll start plowing with the 9N tractor. Alright, stay tuned everybody. Stop by again. Bye for now, and like, share, and subscribe. And to be continued. Bye.